Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I got a box in the mail. And there's a box in the box. Hey. Oh, upside down. This is a cordless chainsaw from Natiddy. They have another one. This one is for me. Melanie got one, my mom got one, and now I got one. Everybody has one, isn't that nice? This one is green. Isn't that cool? So everybody has their own color. How cool is that? So, we've got here handbook. 21 volt cordless mini chainsaw. I do love these. They are so amazing. There is a spare chain. This time they have an oiler bottle. I like that fact. That is good. You need to oil your chain regularly to extend its life. That's a good thing. And got some gloves that they send with it. Convenient, all in one place. Nice and neat. And we got here all green. Oh, there's a screwdriver, reversible. I like that. Any adjustments you need to make? I like it. Look at that. Forest green. It's fitting for my homestead. Look at that. I do love these. They also have a tool in the handle for adjusting the chain tension, which I very much love, and I'll demonstrate later on. I very much love having that there with your tool on hand at all times. I like that. There's some safety glasses. And here we have a charger, which I'll be using here briefly, or shortly, I guess is the right word. And not one, but two batteries. Really awesome. So you can keep going and going and going and going. And honestly, well, you can have one battery charging while the other one is running, and you can really process some material with these chainsaws. Well, guys, I'm going to go out and get these charging. I've been wanting to cut these off for a while, so this little thing is great for trimming work like this. Look at how clean and neat. I mean, it's perfect for a little job like this. I don't have to go and get any power tools or anything. I just grab this. Nice and neat. This is a really awesome tool. Over here I got a board that's been bugging me for a while. Sticking out. I've shown with a different one, this is great for cutting stickers. And what I got here is some stickers in my way. Really quick. This is great for widening my pathways here for security, clearing all the branches out of the way so that my lights and cameras can see better. All these little tree branches have to be moved. I'm in the way of the camera here. It cuts pretty decent. If it binds, which it can do sometimes, just pick it up and restart. That was a big branch, by the way, so, you know. Convenient one-handed operation. And it cuts pretty thick branches with ease. I've got some work to do, but with 2 batteries, it's gonna last. And the great thing is, if I drain one, I can put that in on the charger, grab the charged one, come back out, and extend my runtime tremendously. I like that a lot. How's that for a difference? This was dense. This was really thick before. You know what? I'm gonna try this. I want to see what happens. I'm gonna try to drop it that way. That works. Get that out of my way. That's a pretty big tree. The Natiddy chainsaw has been serving me well here on the homestead. Now I've got my own. This one's mine. Melanie got the first one. My mom got one. And now I've got one. I want to thank you guys very much for a really awesome tool. I have used this really hard. And I'll tell you what, this thing is awesome. And the chain stays sharp for a long time. By the way, I want to go through some safety issues on here. Always be sure, this is a chainsaw and it can hurt you. So always keep when you're running the device, keep your other hand or arm or leg, don't ever cut towards you, okay? Never cut in a direction towards you or down towards your leg. Make sure you know where your appendages are at all times so you keep them. But other than that, it's a pretty safe little device. It's really nice and easy to handle. And once you get the feel of it, you can saw saplings up to like 4 inches, 3-4 inches with ease. And I love it. Now you can get chainsaw sharpeners, and you can actually sharpen that for even longer life. So keep that in mind. There are actual chainsaw sharpening tools, or you can hand file it, because that's a pretty small chain. But really good. And don't forget to oil it all the time. Keep that chain oiled, and you can get chain and bar oil in a quart, and that'll last you a lifetime. And just keep that thing lubed up every once in a while. Every time you change the battery, I would lube that at the very least, if not, halfway in between now and then. And pretty good system. Having 2 batteries keeps me going and going and going. I never run out of time, and you can see I've been using it heavily. So thank you very much, guys. Go ahead and get one. I'll put the links down below. They got green, pink, and yellow. Pretty good stuff, guys.